Yeah, this is Thursday, so we're almost to Friday. That's where we want to be. We're gonna sleep good tonight, cause we about to get some burgers and some Italian sausages on that thing. You know it. Let's go. Fire it up. Let's get it. Whole cradle moved over. That's routine. We'll burn this mess off from the last cook. You know what I'm saying? And get back at it. You see the shiny where we got some more vegetable spray on there, you know, for protection and stuff. We're gonna do that all the time. Try to protect this black paint job on here. We ain't trying to get no rust. So that's how we do it, you know. All right, so look. 747, 3 pounds. That's my Giant Eagle. We got them Irish oak garlic sausages, that Italian sausage, $4.54 on discount. My Giant Eagle. All right, now check it. This the mixture we're gonna do. That's how we're gonna make our hamburgers. That's the move right there. That onion soup. Once you do that, you on another level. It's really taking these out the game. You know what I'm saying? I'll show you. It's gonna be a whole nother level. I'm gonna get my ground beef. Put it in my bowl, season it with my seasonings, my onion soup, my breadcrumbs, my egg, and then I'm gonna make my patties. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be super on point. My seasoning salt. You know what I'm saying? Throw my breadcrumbs up in here. I'm gonna use only one of the envelopes of my soup. You don't need no more than that. Just one. We got the little onions in here. You know what I'm saying? It'll be all throughout your burgers. That's the black pepper. Don't even ask me how to say that. That's just some pepper, oregano, and red peppers. Szechuan pepper. I tried. My garlic powder. And this excuse me, hamburger. We're gonna grind all that up. So I had exactly 3 pounds of ground beef. I got 7 patties getting ready to be pressed. You know, we bought that Giant Eagle. We had a good deal on that ground beef. You know, we bought that Dollar Tree. That's where we get a lot of these seasonings at. You know what I'm saying? Don't sleep on Dollar Tree. And then I got my hamburger press. That's T-Move. Let's go. So we go from here to here to here. See how that's gonna be? Yep. Thank you, T-Move. I really appreciate you. Everybody don't like mushrooms, but I do. So I'm gonna pop me some mushrooms out there on that thing as well, so we can throw them on our burger too. I got that garlic herb seasoning on it and some spray butter. That's good enough. We'll put it out there, put some heat to it. We in business. We already on the grill, getting it in. See how we lined it up around, so we got the heat in the middle, but we ain't trying to go too fast, and we damn sure don't want no flames popping up in here, so we just slow rolling. We was sitting around 350 when I came out here, so let me hurry up and get this thing closed up. We're looking good out here, but I'm telling you, man, them burgers, they be making things flame up, so we gotta hurry up and close this lid so we don't burn shit up. Excuse me, burn stuff up. Some nice clean smoke coming out of there. That looks good. We're rocking 275 BBQ. Everything looking good under here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Chopped up some onion, chopped up some lettuce, got my mushrooms, and I got my burgers. Gotta go back out there in a minute, get the Italian sausages, and then we eating. Okay, Italian sausages, you're coming off of here. You guys are done. That's it. No more games. It's time to eat now. So I got the cheese slices out, and yes, I got the mayo out, because I know my wife, she gonna put it on there anyway. That's how she gets down. I ain't mad at her. That's the end game. Y'all already know my queen is the one getting that. That's her plate. That's how it goes down. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until we meet again. Peace.